This is Video Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check all subscription on Google Play Store. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Subscription on Google Play are for an indefinite term, and you'll be charged at the beginning of each billing cycle according to your subscription term. For example, weekly, annually, or another period, unless you unsubscribe. So how to check your subscription on your Google Play Store? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Google Play Store. Now you can just tap on your profile on the upper right corner here. And you'll see there is an option, payment and subscriptions. You can just tap on that. You can tap on subscriptions. So here's all the subscription on your Google Play Store. You can check. You can maybe if there's a expired subscription and you want to resubscribe, you can just tap on resubscribe. Or maybe you want to remove it, you can just tap on remove. It's so simple, right? So that is how to check all subscription on Google Play Store. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!